Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds explore the exciting world of robotics and coding. Featured as the best Bay Area summer camp for the years 2022, 2023, and 2024, our program offers an exceptional experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts. Introducing Become an App Inventor, our hands-on course where you'll create amazing mobile apps without writing a single line of code. Unlock your creativity and see your ideas come to life. You'll use MIT App Inventor, a user-friendly platform that lets you visually arrange code blocks like puzzle pieces, making app creation fun and accessible. Even if you've never coded before, you'll feel like a pro in no time. Learn the basics of app building, from user interface design to control flow and logical operations. Shape and refine your own projects with ease, and gain valuable computational thinking skills that will benefit you in any tech field. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills to create dynamic, functional apps that can serve real-life purposes. Imagine sharing your custom apps with friends and family, or even using them to solve everyday problems. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media to stay updated. We look forward to seeing you at a Future Bytes camp. Let's shape the future one byte at a time.